Oh yeah. One more time, man. I ain't had time to post. So this how this has been going. It's been pretty good, man. Ain't nothing break in here yet. Everybody doing alright. I just got some problems though, cause with these waters, they keep leaking and I gotta keep coming out here. So I gotta fix that quick. But what I did for the chickens is I bought this bucket. I got this off of YouTube, but I bought this bucket and just like drilled a hole right here and one on the other side, and I put it right here in this pen upside down. And man, that killed all the watering for the chickens. I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. If I can sit this down. It's simple, man. Alright, so that'll work. Alright, so that'll just fill up just like that. And it'll stop whenever it get to that hole. But that right there, time saving. And I bought some chicken, some nipples for these rabbit cages, and I'm gonna try to make a waterer for them. But yeah, in the meantime, man, everything is going just like it's supposed to, real easy. We come out here like twice a week. I mean, maybe 3 times sometimes. But yeah, twice a week. And that's it. Simple.